A Middle Tennessee mother is channeling unimaginable heartbreak into a fight for change, determined that no parent should be left voiceless when tragedy strikes. She says her daughter's death was wrongly ruled a suicide, and now she's successfully helped pass a new law to ensure families have a seat at the table in death investigations. News Channel 5's Kelsey Gibbs explains how her journey could protect families all across the state.
Of the day is, what is something that you are passionate about?
April was the sunshine of the world.
Jamie Dickerson says her daughter April Holt lit up every room, chasing big dreams with an even bigger heart.
She was brought into my life at a time where I didn't know I needed her so much, and she was everything to me.
A mother, wife, daughter, and friend. But in July of 2023, that light went out. April was found dead in her Antioch apartment, a plastic bag taped around her neck. Police called it a suicide, despite April going through a divorce and bruising on her body. Jamie says April's young son was inside the home.
I was going to dig, and I'm that mom that was like, this is not going to be something that I could live with.
Jamie begged investigators to reopen the case, but Tennessee law let only a spouse, the next of kin, challenge the ruling. As April's mother, she had no standing.
You're already grieving. The last thing you should have to do is try to fight just to have paperwork, just to have a reconsideration of something that you already seen all the red flags to.
So she became more than a mother and grandmother. She became her own investigator. Evidence showed only the husband's DNA on the bag and tape.
And I knew that the only way I was going to get what I needed was to get a confession, an actual confession, which means that I had to put myself in the place of befriending the murderer of my child.
For 10 months, she pressed, and April's husband, Donovan Holt, confessed to Jamie. He's now serving a 2-year sentence in jail for reckless homicide. But Jamie says no parent should have to fight this way for the truth.
I decided I'm gonna have to go after this law and try to make sure that other parents don't have to experience the trauma that even put me through.
It simply names the bill April's Law.
That fight became law. Senate Bill 1597, signed by the governor, now recognizes parents as next of kin, giving them the right to request reviews, access records, and challenge suicide rulings.
Even though we only got 2 years, I would do it 1,000 times over, because her death certificate does not say suicide. Her children are never going to think mom deliberately left us and didn't want to be here anymore.
For Jamie, it's about truth and protecting April's memory.
I know I can't bring back April, but her legacy lives on through all of the changes that are going to be made, because domestic violence is happening every single day.
Have a great day on purpose.
Kelsey, this new law does ensure that her daughter's legacy lives on, right? Now, it is now in effect, and it gives parents all across the state a clear path to seek some answers when they think something has been missed.
Yeah,
right?
absolutely. And Jamie's not done. She says with this law is a major step forward, but she's already pushing for more, including stronger standards for how suspicious deaths are investigated, especially when it comes to domestic violence. Now, Donovan Holt is set to be released in a couple of months for April's murder.
Boy, this mother's persistence really paid off for so many families.
Yep.
Thanks, Kelsey.